is it possible to accept all Grammarly suggestions at once? So if you want to check that, then first you need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Now you just need to go for app.grammarly.com, and here you need to go for upload and upload a new document, or you can simply upload a text. So click on that and then click on continue, and here you can upload your text. And once you've entered something, then here you will have all of the mistakes. So first is you need to correct your spelling. So here it says that your spelling has been incorrect. So you need to correct that. And then the next thing is you need to correct your name, which is you need to have a capital letter. And here it again says you need to add a punctuation. So you can see that you will have all of these suggestions. Like I've got 3 suggestions, right? So it's possible to accept all Grammarly suggestions all at once. So that's how you can make use of all of your suggestions on your Grammarly. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.